If you don't do this, you will never be fluent in English. Yes, I am serious. You can pass exam, you can study for 10 years, you can move to London or New York, but you will still feel like an outsider in real conversation. If you don't fix this one habit, most of the people think English is all about memorizing thousands of English words, watching YouTube videos, listening to music or podcast. But it's not. It's a language. You can build it with the right technique and practice. So if you are thinking you will become fluent by watching video or listening to music or podcast, you will never be fluent in English. But I have found one ultimate solution. With the help of you can be fluent in English within 6 months. So if you want to be fluent in English, then watch this video till the end. I have included so many things that I have used personally through my English speaking journey. So watch this video very till the end. And don't worry, in this video I will not tell you to watch movie, video, listening to music or podcast or reading book. No, I will not tell you anything regards this. I will tell you everything about practice English, how can you fluent in English. So don't worry. In this video, I am not going to tell you anything about pressurize. I will tell you every doable thing. So watch this video till the end. Remember, you trapped in translation loop. Whenever you have conversation with someone, you think your answer in your native language and then translate it into English. So it cut down your fluency and it stresses out people who you are talking with. So in today's video, we are going to give you 5 ultimate solution that actually work. So if you all guys new here, then hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Let's dive into the main video. Number 1, 4-3-2 technique. Yes, this is a technique that used by most of the English learner and teachers. So choose a topic choose a topic whatever you want to speaking on, and speak for 4 minutes on that topic. Remember, don't focus on your mistake, just speak. Don't focus on your grammar mistake, don't focus on your vocabulary, just speak. And for 3 minutes again speak on that topic, but this time in deeper, in clearer, with no fear, no frustration. Just speak. And remember, try to improve their grammar and their pronunciation in this 3 minutes. And again for 2 minutes speak on that same topic, but this time with no fear, no agitation, with confident and like a native speaker. So this is a technique that I personally used through my English speaking journey. So you can do the same thing. It's very proven technique that every single person use in their speaking fluency journey. So you can do the same thing. So 4-3-2 technique improve your grammar, pronunciation and communication skill. And most importantly, it will build your confidence towards English speaking journey. So if you do this thing for 7 days, it will improve your confidence like a skyrocket. So do this thing for 7 minutes. And second, shadowing practice. This is a practice that personally helped me a lot through my English speaking journey. So this is a technique that every single person recommend for a English speaking who want to speak English. For example, play a clip of a native speaker who you admire most and copy them with same rhythm, tone, body language, accent and pronunciation. Like I admire Priyanka Chopra, so I am going to play this clip of Priyanka Chopra. So take a look. Can I answer that? Can I please answer it? Because physiologically men and women are different, sir. There is no debate about it. It is not. Oh my God. This is difficult. We talk about cerebral opportunity. We are not saying they but 200 per like a man sit up somebody else. We are not saying that. You can be a CEO like this. So you can shadow a native speaker like this. And remember, don't pick any native speaker like Adele who speak very fast. Don't understandable. So don't copy them. Pick any Indian celebrity who speak English very clearer, a very prominent way and confident like Priyanka Chopra. So you can do the same thing. And number third, record yourself on your phone on any random topic, whatever you want to talking about. So if you have to record yourself on your phone on any random topic, if I have to talk about myself on my phone, then I will I will speak on my phone something like this. For example, I am going to make tea, I am going to bath, I am recording my video on my phone. I will post on my video at 4 p.m. So you can do the same thing, and you can record yourself speak something like this on your phone. So this is a technique that every single person use to build their communication skill and speaking skill. So it will improve your pronunciation, and it will train your mouth to speak English, it will train your brain to think in English. So you can do the same thing like me. Last but not the least, talk to yourself. You can talk to yourself on any topic. You can talk about your goal, your future goal, your routine, your about your classroom, about your university, college, any random topic, whatever you want to talking about. So you can talk to yourself, and it by doing this thing you will practice your English by talking to yourself, and it will train your brain to think in English, and it will improve your mouth to speak English. So talk to yourself on any random topic. So this is very important thing that helped me a lot. So you can do the same thing. But remember, no matter how much video watching you are, no matter how many book reading you are, practice your English as much as you can. Until you practice your English, you will never be fluent in English. So practice your English as much as you can. In my entire video, I did not recommend you to watch video, reading book, or listening to music or podcast. I did not do that. So I have mentioned everything regard to practice your English, whether shadowing practice, whether record yourself, or talking to yourself, or 4-3-2 technique, everything I mentioned regard to practice. So don't just consume, produce something about English. Don't just consume content. So I am going to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and share with your friend who want to speak English. I will see you in the next video. Bye, and taking care of yourself and your family. I will see you in the next video.